Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, so what do we have for today? That's it. Now let me set the chart. It's done. Now let's proceed with indicators. The first one will be fractal channel bands. Now vortex. And yeah, that's it. Okay, now we are ready to start. As you can see, we're now moving in the buy zone in the upgoing channel. Let me, yes, I have already set the vortex correctly. We are hitting now the resistance line zone and the upper edge of the fractal bands. Okay, let's open sell position here because we're staying on the resistance line zone and we are highly likely to receive a pullback reaction from it. So that's why I have opened sell position here. Well, so it's done. The first trade is profitable one. We have around $43 right now on the account. Okay, let's check Johnson & Johnson. So here we have broken through the upper edge of the fractal bands. According to the vortex, we're in the strong buy zone. Price, we have even broken through the current local high, current resistance level. We have broken through it. Very nice movement, but you know, buyers, they're trying to go higher, but okay, let's help them. Let's invest $33 here. I think that we still have enough space for the growth. We just need to push a little higher the price and break through this resistance level. We have almost done this. We have almost broken through the resistance line zone. We have almost done this. Okay, so it's done. We have $73 on the account. Let's continue with Audi and ZD. Oh, here the situation is very nice. We are going strictly in the downgoing channel. Just look at this. What a nice channel without any even short-term upgoing correction. So according to the vortex, we are also in the strong sell zone. So what should we do? We should change our investment to $53 and of course open sell position here. We stopped. Look, we stopped. No. No, I don't want to participate in this. Okay, so let's check this. We are moving to the downgoing channel, which is followed by several short-term upgoing corrections. Now this correction is stopping, and however we still have some space for the growth. Let's draw the channel. Yes, nice. Okay, let's open this sell trade here. Let's put it here. Nice entry point. Nice one. Nice one. You see this. Just look at this beauty. So, well, I don't want to miss this trade. I don't want to miss it. Let's right now open buy position. Why did we open it? Because you can clearly see that we are breaking through this channel. We are breaking through it. This is a reversal point, guys. Just look at this. All we need right now just to stay here. Don't drop. Stay here, don't drop, and break through this trend line. If we break through it, we will have a nice growth. We'll have a very cool growth here. All we need is just to stay here. Yes! We hold this position, brothers. Price is growing. Nice trade. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful trade. Okay, just stay here, don't drop, stay here. Okay, no, don't break it. Don't break this beauty, please. What a nice structure. Okay, yes, $122. Let's move further. Let's do this. Well, let's check out the NZD. Here, you remember this very strict downgoing channel. Yes, price was stopped as I predicted. Now it's better to open buy position here. Let's change our investment to $82, open buy position. You remember the previous time when we were looking at this chart, we had a very strong downgoing structure without any kinds of stops, short-term upgoing corrections, or etc. But when I wanted to open sell position, price stopped. We found finally the level of support, and now price is reversing. We're showing this first short-term upgoing correction. That's why I have opened buy position here, expecting this growth. I expect it right now to happen, and price doesn't want to go lower anymore, so that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our $82. Okay, so we did it. We have around $197 on the account. This is a very nice result, brothers. Don't forget, if you want to trade like this, don't forget to check description to this video right now, and here you will find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, best analytics and strategies each time, each day, and you will become professional and successful trader together with this help. Moreover, if you write me a private message on the TG and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day. So don't waste your time. All you need right now is open description and subscribe to my private TG. This is absolutely free. This is right now. Okay, while I was talking, I right now have opened one more buy position. Here the situation is very clear and evident. We have touched a strong level of support. We started receiving the pullback reaction. Now we're even showing the short-term upgoing correction. We don't have any formation for the drop. Moreover, according to the vortex, we're strongly in the buy zone, so that's why I have opened buy position, wasting my $117 in this trade. And yeah, just look at this, what a nice growth we have, what a nice big green candle like my big dick we have right now on the screen. This is amazing result, brothers. Very nice trade we have right now, very nice one. Okay, so we have $305 on the account right now, a very nice trade. Let's check ID, CNI. Well, so what can we find interesting here? We're moving in the downgoing channel right now, in the straight downgoing movement without any corrections. Now we're changing our investment to $205, and I have opened sell position here in continuation of this drop. Why? Because we have broken through the support line zone. And this support line zone is also the bottom line of the fractal band. We have broken through it, we have retested it, and after this we continued dropping. So that's why all we need is just right now follow this downgoing movement and open sell position, and we have already done this. So a very nice and simple trade. Okay, so that's it. We have around $494 on the account right now. Well, so let's check another currency pair that we have. Let's draw the channel like this. Well, what can we find interesting here? Okay, according to the current situation, we are moving in the same downgoing channel. First of all, let's change investment to $394. And open sell position, because now you can clearly see that we are trying to hit the bottom line of the current downgoing channel. We are receiving a very good pullback reaction from the uptrend, from the trend line, from the downgoing trend line of this channel. And the question is that I have opened the sell position very low, and it's risky trade. If I opened it a bit higher, the situation would be much better. But I opened it very low. But anyway, we need to drop more, we need to drop lower, we need to do this. According to the technical structure, technical analysis, we need to drop more. And we do this. Oh my god, please drop. I want to get this money. I have invested almost all I have. Please drop. Yes! Yes, finally, this is the last trade for today. Yes! yes! Oh my goodness, we did it, brothers. We have $856. The last trade was risky one, but all in all, we're in profit. We have $856 on the account with a nice result during today's trading session. So, guys, if you want to have the same kind of results as me, all you need right now is just to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TGs. This is absolutely free. So thank you for your attention, my friends. I wish you the best and profitable day ever. See you all and bye bye.